How to change thumbnail image on Wix. So what I've done is I've just loaded up my website in the editor by clicking on Edit Website. And once we have the Wix website editor open, from the left hand side we will go into Pages and Menu, which should be the third option here from the left. And then we want to find Blog Pages and click on the gear icon here next to Blog Pages and then select Manage Posts. This is going to load up the blog post on our website, and I'll show you how we can change this right here. So we want to find the blog post for which we will change the thumbnail image, and just click on Edit here to the side. Now from the left hand side we want to select Settings, and it will show you the featured image right here. Simply click on Update, and it's going to load up a gallery of all of our files that we have uploaded. If you want to upload a new one, we'll select Upload Media here, Upload from Computer, and choose the file which we want to display. We can also use all of these different third-party applications to get our image here. And I'll just use this one as an example. So once we have imported our image, then we can click on Add to Page, and this is going to update our thumbnail on Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.